5 common diseases in catfish farming and how to spot them. Catfish are tough, but disease outbreak can happen and they can spread very fast. Knowing what to look out for can save your farm. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with us 5 common diseases and how to spot them early. Number 1 is bacterial infection. The symptoms are red patches, swollen abdomen, and the causes dirty water and stress. Number 2 is fungal infection. We also have fungal infection. Symptoms are white cotton like patches on their skin. The causes are injuries and poor water quality. Injury and poor water quality. Number 3 is parasitic. We also have parasitic infection. The symptoms are scratching. You will start scratching their body, scratching body against pond walls. The causes are contaminated water, contaminated water, or introduction of infected fish. Number 4, we have the fin rot. Symptoms is frayed fins and slow movement. Causes is bacteria and poor water condition. Bacteria and poor water condition. Then number 5, which is the last one, we have the swollen head disease. What are the symptoms? Swollen head, reduced growth rate, and also reduced activity. So what causes swollen head disease? It's always caused by poor nutrition and toxic water build up. So these are the 5 common diseases you might come across in your catfish farming business. Early detection equals early solution. Always ensure you keep your pond clean, reduce stress, and always monitor your water quality. So that will be that for today. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
On the 26th day of April 2025, we successfully delivered this 10 trays gas-powered oven for smoking catfish and other livestock at Mushin here in Lagos State, Nigeria. So we arrived the farm as early as 7 a.m. in the morning. One thing about us is that if you want to deliver your oven to you, we are already at your farm even before you wake up from your bed. We're already on your farm. So we also conducted a physical training on how to properly operate this oven, and also we taught the person in charge of this oven on how to properly smoke the catfish as well. So in case you need something like this, you can always send us a DM or give us a call. This is gas powered. We also have the one that uses charcoal as well. So we construct according to your own specification. You just let us know which one you want. Is it charcoal? Is it gas? Is it 5 trays? or 10 traits, make your intentions known, and we would be happy to do business with you. So welcome back once again to our page. So currently we are at the location this morning. We are currently at Mushin. We are here to deliver this 10 trays gas powered oven, and this oven uses gas. We also have the ones that use charcoal as well, but this one specifically uses gas. In case you need something like this, if you need something smaller than this or smaller something bigger than this, we can construct to your own specification. So you can always send us a DM or give us a direct call. We are very easy to access. Our WhatsApp is going, our numbers are going. So in case you have business for us, distance is not a barrier. We can construct it and even send it over to you. We can wheel it over to you, or you can come in and pick up yourself. Anyone that is convenient for you, we are ready to do business with you. The sodium bicarbonate for increasing the pH of the water. So I have with me here some equipment for catfish farming. Firstly, I have the pH test kit for manually testing the pH of your water. This is what you need to test the pH of your water manually. We have the digital one as well. This is for testing the pH of water. And I have this, the sodium bicarbonate. This is what we call the sodium bicarbonate for increasing the pH of the water. For many of us that are into the hatchery process, this is what you need to increase the potentials of hydrogen present in your water. It looks like salt, but it's not salt. So this is sodium bicarbonate. I also have with me here the fish net. This is a small scoop net for scooping your tiny catfish. Also I have with me here the small harvester for fingerlings. You can use this to harvest your fingerlings in your pond. The holes are not too big, so you can easily use this to harvest your fingerlings or your juveniles as well on your farm. So in case you need any of this equipment, you can always give us a call or send us a DM. We are readily available to do business too.
3 costly mistakes I made when I started catfish farming years back. Number one, I was eager to get started, so I stocked my pond without proper preparation. As a result of this, I lost so many juveniles due to poor water quality and hidden predators, you understand. Number two, I fed fish anyhow. No measurements, no schedule. I ended up wasting feed and still had poor growth. You understand? Poor growth performance. That's number two costly mistake I made when I started catfish farming. Number three, I bought juveniles, from the wrong source. I once bought cheap juvenile just because it was very cheap, you understand, from an unverified source. Most of them were weak, stunted growth, and they didn't even survive. From the second week, I had huge mortality. So those are the 3 costly mistakes I made when I started catfish farming some years back. Make sure you don't repeat this mistake as a young farmer. I made so many mistakes when I started catfish farming. 4 more mistakes I made. I stocked all my fish at once, and I left them together for weeks without sorting. I didn't sort early enough, so the bigger one started eating the smaller one, which is called cannibalism in catfish farming. Number 2, I ignored water quality. I underestimated how important clean water is in catfish farming. I delayed changing water, and my fish got stressed. Some even, died. Number 3, I bought feed without knowing the nutritional needs. I just bought anyone I saw, you understand. I went for the cheapest feed I could find. My fish didn't grow well, and I ended up spending more in the long run. Number 4, I didn't keep track of how much feed I used, survival rate, or growth process. I didn't even calculate anything. I didn't calculate my cost of production. I didn't even see where I was losing money when I started catfish farming. So that are the 4 more mistakes I made when I started catfish farming. So ensure you don't repeat these mistakes as a young catfish farmer. Remember to share this video. Thank you.